Hey, to turn on or off the live captions on the Nothing font way, all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone, move into the settings. From this you have to scroll down and go into the sound and vibration. Now scroll down one more time and move into the live caption. From this, all you have to do is just to turn it on. There's also a small description of this feature. Click OK. And from this you can also pick the language, but in the Nothing font way, the only English is right now supported. But as you can see, more languages coming soon. So we have to definitely check for some system updates, download them. And if you are speaking in the different languages and you want to get these captions in the different language, just be sure to check this option. Also, we can find some other options like show sound labels, live caption in the volume control. So now when we click here, we'll be able to get these captions. As you can see, here they are, so we can quickly turn them on and off. And from this, we've got also caption calls, so we'll actually get this ask every time, turn it on always or off. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.